Earn while you sleep with AI. Today, we explore how AI transforms passive income generation. Many traditional ways of earning demand constant effort and time, leaving little opportunity for freedom. AI-powered tools automate repetitive tasks from content creation to digital design, so you can focus on what truly matters. Consider Jasper AI, which crafts engaging blog posts and compelling emails, propelling affiliate marketing forward. Meanwhile, Canva AI generates stunning visuals that sell products and captivate audiences. Challenges in building income streams often feel overwhelming. Rising expenses and fierce competition create obstacles at every turn. Yet AI stands ready to offer practical strategies that simplify the process. Tools like Pictory AI turn text into vibrant video content effortlessly. Koala Writer optimizes your digital presence with smart, focused writing, attracting steady traffic. Imagine launching a business with minimal startup costs, using Synthesia for realistic video courses and Midjourney for captivating art that sells. Durable AI Website Builder sets up full websites in under 30 seconds, making digital opportunities accessible to all. Tidio AI chatbots and Systeme.io further automate revenue generation, ensuring your business thrives around the clock. This breakthrough revolutionizes everyday tasks by turning complex challenges into effortless, sustainable income opportunities for you. By embracing these innovative solutions, you can replace stress with success and effort with opportunity. This is your roadmap to financial freedom, designed for tech-savvy entrepreneurs. Ready to take the leap? Reach out to AI expert Irina Tolmachova at 561-406-0717 or golfpalmbeach@gmail.com and unlock your true potential. Let AI empower your journey to effortless income, transforming your future one smart tool at a time.